Is this cordless leaf blower powerful enough for everyday yard work? That's what I wanted to know. This 20-volt cordless leaf blower comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and 2 speed modes for tackling leaves, patios, driveways, and a light yard cleanup. How long does the battery last? Runtime depends on the speed you're using, but having 2 batteries lets you swap one out and you can keep working longer. Can it handle wet leaves? It's designed for leaves, grass clippings, dust, and light debris. Heavier soaked leaves may require more than one pass. Why choose this leaf blower? I love how lightweight it is. It's easy to carry, simple to use, and there's no cords to drag around. Does it work with other 20-volt batteries? Check the manufacturers for compatibility recommendations before using the batteries on another brand. Why I like it. The lightweight design and 2 included batteries make yard work much quicker and easier. I received this product for honest feedback. And if you want a cordless leaf blower that's easy to use for everyday cleanup, this is definitely worth checking out. And the link is in the description.